I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Literally, what the fuck? Get up on that.
Let me get right up on that ass. Right up on it. You like being that close, huh? Oh yeah, Daddy, I know you like that.
What in fuck's name are you doing?
What the fuck, asshole?
Single child people in there.
Oh, but cyclists, they run red lights. They're entitled.
Maybe we can split it or something.
Good job.
Good job.
Yeah, will he stop people from driving on the wrong side of the road? I haven't seen evidence of that, but...
Hey, one thing at a time.
Yeah.
He didn't even listen to him.
Yeah.
This motherfucker.
Get him! Get him!
Oh.
Go
No,
get him!
no, he's running! He's running! Cracks me up. And,
This car behind me,
you know,
of course it's a
we'll
Tesla.
look forward to,
Their phone looks like it's mounted, but it is
calling again
right
tonight, 'cause he
in
will.
front of their face.
One time I was at a bar.
Don't mount your phone right in front of your face.
Like country bar.
Off to the
And
side a
this black
little
dude tried
bit.
to pick a fight with this black guy.
Why are you stopping?
Why are you dumb?
Are you fucking kidding me?
Allergies, baby?
Yes. Your
Yes.
mouth is just
Just mad?
bad. Yeah. Whoa, brother.
Hello? That guy's on his fucking phone. Fuck
Are
you.
you fucking serious? Oh my god.
I was watching this like reality TV show that was like haunted houses. It was so stupid.
Of course you would watch that when I did that. I told him I hate reality TV.
Oh, but remember how cyclists run red lights.
That doesn't seem... Jimmy! No.
Yeah, exactly. She pisses me off. Way to go, asshole.
Right over a bridge and your shit flips on me.
Whoa. You calm down. Are you fucking kidding me?
Nobody kill me!
Doesn't even look. Literally doesn't even look. Unbelievable.
I think she wants to die.
I guess she really wants to die.
I really wish.
Insert clip here.
I really wish I was like, did you want to die?
Just tell me.
Because I want to kill somebody.
Just not today.
Just give me permission to do it.
Not today.
Because I have a camera.
Yep.
So give me permission so I don't get in trouble.
Uh-huh.
That's how it works, right?
Exactly. I gotta lawyer up before I do this. That one time we walked there when your transition pan was leaking.
I've gone there for...
Fucking idiot!
And he literally just throws his arm.
Oh,
See, you could have hit
not
him.
my fault.
You could have hit him and it would have been fine.
I'd rather just yell at them, okay? Even though they're an idiot, they
Let me at 'em!
deserve to live.
Let me at 'em!
This is why you're not driving.
At least not today, man.
Yeah.
I'm not in the mood. I swear to God, if I get one bad table tonight, I'm fucking quitting. Like, oh, fuck you guys. I'm out this bitch.
Don't park in the crosswalk. Fucking idiot. Why would you park literally right on the crosswalk?
This is brilliant.
Yeah, exactly, man. Like,
Woof.
it's like when we're managing and now we keep it together because we're... Yeah, look at it. Yeah, go.
Yeah, go get it.
Now get the fuck out of the way. What are you doing?
Literally, what are you doing? Oh my god. Fuck right off.
What are you doing?
There's space right up there. Right there. Right there. Oh, now they go. There you go. I pointed you to it.
Oh my god.
People so stupid.
Really hand it to him and give him what he deserves, honestly, then I'm not the host for you. There are other shows on this channel where they'll do that. Like, truly, like, listen to you, listen to Matt, like, where you'll really put people in their fucking place when they need it. I am not that person in real life.
Why did they, like, stop to let them out when there's two separate lanes? That was really dumb.
I see a person who is in a place where, like, in one
Don't
way or
be
another
nice, be
is in
predictable.
deep need.
Their family lost everything. Their house, their savings, everything. Something was said in the interview, they were so poor, they wasn't even sense of this. Abraham tried to get a job at another plant, but nothing worked out. There was only one other way Abraham knew how to make money. The family band went from a hobby to a way of
You missed
surviving,
your exit.
with Selena at the forefront.
You sure
We
did.
started playing at a restaurant that my dad owned.
Planning ahead.
Eventually
So
started
difficult.
playing for, weddings and family affairs that...
Yep. But cyclists make up their own rules. Very clearly a no turn on red.
Oh my god. Wow.
There are Major League Baseball games scheduled not on the same day but in the same time frame.
Uh-huh.
So they're like
Good job.
That's how I would spin it.
When we get back, I gotta know, are people still trying to scare people away from STDs with, like, the way the procedures work, where they have to stick up and claw out? I wonder if that's the thing.
And she was saying how her parents, who immigrated to the U.S. from Iran, even for them, they kind of were like, it's
coming right at you.
because there's so much, but doesn't mean it should be bombed.
Oh, look, that's the whole thing. I'm not saying Iran's good. It isn't.
Right.
Iran's pretty much sucks, but are we going to go to...
Counting the ones for yesterday or when it was for?
Roll down the window.
Good job. No turn signal or anything.
No.
Now you're gonna tailgate that guy.
All the way down in the back seat.
Like, until he said, I'm in America, I thought, not the asshole, like, you can request to be called something else, and it's, like, not that serious, and whatever, until he said that, and then I was kind of like, oh, okay, well, now.
You know, all along, and maybe this is because I've taken Spanish.
Yeah, like, in Italian class, we never really We never, like, my teachers never really called us by a different name.
I think that means you had a bad teacher. It's not a different name. It's just the Italian versions of your name. If he wanted to go by John, I'm sure he would have been called Juan.
Yeah.
You were turning.
Like, he could have just turned right.
We didn't really do that.
And then been out of the way.
I also think that
Very good.
What the? What?
Just had to gotta rush around.
Yeah, but like...
Can't wait for them to complete their turn at all.
At that cost? Like,
yeah.
That could have seriously fucked up his car.
Yeah.
And in a hurry to go fucking nowhere, too.
Yep. Exactly. Oh.
Gotta pack it in. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Get in there. Throw yourself in there. You got to the end of the line for the next red light. Yay! It's a welcome break from the rest of this week.
Yeah, you got total to another red light.
But this time you're first in line. Yay!
And look at that. We waited patiently and are just right
And
behind
yep, we're in the exact same place. Look how that works.
But no, I need to go on a red light and do a quick super.
I need to endanger pedestrians at the same. I get bonus points if I endanger pedestrians, right?
Yep. Whatever. I'll be home tomorrow night. He'll be fine.
Yeah.
I just need to get through the next couple days. Because
Cheater.
I work. I know. I saw some fucking.
It's always a Tesla.
Well, on the.
What? Oh, here we go again.
And here we go again.
Here we go again.
Another minute's done.
Good job, everybody. Did it. Good job.
Does anyone like being an intern?
We have a categorical position at the Heart Center. You're trained with the University of Chicago and do your research with us. I think you should consider it. I think you do really well there.
Being all fucking stupid right
Oh my god, a dog is driving.
now. You're supposed to be looking at
I don't
the road,
think that dog has a driver's license. Clearly not.
He wasn't even looking at the road.
Nope. Typical dog drivers, am I right? Had like very vibrant pink earmuffs on, but just the way that it was on her head from a distance, I was like,
You're also blind.
yes. Well, especially because of that. It just blended in. Oh my god, look at that fucking idiot. That is how you get into a crash.
You went left?
From that lane.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Red light, not to mention red light left for the actual dedicated turning lane, but...
No, that's why I was questioning it, because I looked away at that moment, you know?
Yes. Otherwise, you would have also been like, ah!
Oh, yeah. Like that.
Like that, yeah, exactly.
Boss is like, get out of my lane.
Yeah, fucker.
Do that. They don't need them. They'll go right
I mean,
anyway.
wrong way, asshole. There are definitely bad places to do that, but oh, fuck off. Fucker just skipped everybody.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yep. I thought maybe that's what that truck was doing because I didn't see a turn signal until the last second, but I'm like, oh no, they are turning, okay. And then that guy's just like, fuck it.
It's like, nice bike you got there, man.
Mm-hmm. Oh my, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
If you need to turn left, you go around it.
That's I'm like, what?
Like literally,
But now you're going
wow,
right, so
what
I'm
the
like,
hell?
Oh, I know. That is entirely possible. People are like, I can only.
Oh, very good.
And I'm gonna reserve it for
Pack it
Saturday.
in so no one else can go. Very good.
Jimmy. I don't know who he's going live with, actually. I'm not sure who's joining him or if it's just him.
Yeah, get the
But
fuck
he's
out of the way.
going to be live
That's right.
after Chew Gum. And we are going to do a little bit of a shorter show today, so, oh, okay, it's already.
You get the hunk of shame.
I'm going to be with
So, nice stuff. Very good. Yeah. For the contrast in our responses, yes. Oh,